Hey, what's going on, you guys? Hey, so I'm gonna change some headlights in my Ford F150 and make a video of it. Hope you guys like it. Check it out. Here we go. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is get rid of this piece of rubber here, and spinning this doesn't really do much. It's kind of old. It's 07, so let's see if we can. I have some replacement. Usually this centerpiece, usually this piece right here will spin out, but this one seems like it's stripped. So just yank it out like that with this tool. This piece comes out like so. Yank it out. And if you break it, they're easy to get a replacement. Doing all this with one hand, you guys. The old one-handed filming. Anywho, looks like it opens up a bolt there. And I got one right there. I think we're gonna pop that one, come over here and pop that one. And should be pretty easy. Okay. You know, and I could do this with power tools, which would be a lot quicker. But some of you may not have that, so I just decided to go with the old wrench. You know, and you guys that are going to do this on your own without a camera, probably be a lot easier. But I want to show you how to do it. I'm just a DIY guy, not a mechanic or a professional. I definitely do a lot of work on my own vehicles, but definitely probably want to put a small extension here. Probably make it a lot easier to do. Incidentally, we got a lot of snow. We got another snowstorm coming in. It's that bomb cyclone they're talking about coming in next. So anyway, I'm going to spin this guy out. I'm going to spin that guy out. And then once I get them out, I'll yank this thing out. All right, you guys, I busted out the Milwaukee. A little easier, eh? Or a lot easier, quicker. But if you guys don't have that, just take your time with a regular old school wrench. But that Milwaukee stuff's pretty good. Now, you see I'm just kind of wiggling this. It pop loose like so. Gonna pop that little tab there, and then from what I understand from looking at the new ones, so you see that little tab there, and I think you're just gonna have to put a little happy pressure on it. Let's see. Again, one-handed. I'm going to set the camera down and yank on it. I'll let you know if there's anything different than that. Should be, yeah, hold on, let me set the camera down. All right, you guys, actually, I just pulled this sideways and it popped right out of there. You can see it's popping out of those two little spots. Right there, no big deal. And then all I'm going to do is twist this socket. You just twist it and pull it out. Twist it. Again, I'm one-handed. This one here, twist, comes right out, pretty easy. Headlight's a little tighter, more sealed. Let me just set this down real quick. All right, you guys, so you can see you got that spun out, no problem. It just twisted off right there, no big deal. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick a screwdriver right in here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pry that out a little bit with a screwdriver. All I'm gonna do this, just put a screwdriver in there, do a little prying, just a little push down on the tab, and then I'm gonna slide this piece off. And then this piece is gonna connect into the new lights, which, check these out, they're pretty cool. So I gotta be careful. But these literally have a fan on the back of these, you guys. Look at that. There's literally a fan on there. And then see the connector here? That connector matches and connects to that connector, and then you're up and running. So let me do that real quick, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. All right, you guys, I just wanted to show you quickly. It slid right into the old connector. And then it has this box, which is basically, I believe, to regulate things for the LED. And then this LED has a fan on the back. So we reinstall this into the housing, twist it, and it's done. And then we just want to find a home, clean with alcohol. We'll put this in a safe spot and put there's sticky tape that it comes with. You put it on the back and find a home in here. I'm not sure yet, but I'll show you in a minute. And that's that. Install it and get to the other side. All right, you guys, you can see I put that on the housing right there with the double sticky tape provided. You could probably use some aftermarket 3M, might be better. Now we're just gonna assemble it and see what happens. Get the other side and then we'll look at it. All right, here we go. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you this pin down here. It's hard to see, but the pin, I'll show you. This here, if you have a problem with that, just use a long screwdriver and kind of send it down and help guide that in while you press on the front here. And other than that, this has been really easy to do. I'm looking forward to getting the other one on and seeing if it throws a code. But you can see clearly the difference. So, all right, let's get this thing done. Check it out. All right, you guys, I got this one back in super quick. It's just a reverse process of the disassembly I showed you, and everything fits in there nice. I'm excited to see if how they work out. Let me get the other one in, and we're gonna find out here in just a second. All right, you guys, I wanted to give you a quick look at this side. Now you can see I got some electrical tape around that. When I went to put my screwdriver in there, that piece cracked. Don't panic. It's an old car, so that fitting just cracked like it was nothing, but put it together real tight and really good electrical tape and you're fine. Don't panic. It's not the end. You can certainly replace that fitting, but it's really not necessary. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this put back together, and let's see if it throws us a code and what they look like. All right, you guys, these things are looking good, but I wanted to show you real quick. If you're wondering what that is, that's how you adjust the headlights up and down. So if you put the new ones in and you find out that they're not on the right plane, then just adjust with a wrench in or out, depending on you want to go up, or actually this way would be down. So clockwise down, counterclockwise up. I had to make one adjustment on this side. It was a little too high. I drive up to the garage and shine them at the garage, and you can make some even adjustments. Anyway, I'm no professional. I'm just a DIY disclosure, but you can do them yourself. But if you're uncomfortable with getting them adjusted and aimed properly, certainly seek out a professional to do that. So anyway, hope this video helped you guys out, and let's check to see if it threw a code, and then we're done. Job complete. All right, you guys. So this Ford 07, it's always running the lights, you know, the running lights. But anywho, they look good, man. I'm not throwing a code at all. See, it's in four-wheel drive, obviously, because of where I'm at. Yeah, my brake light's on, my low oil, or my low pressure is on for my tires, but that's because I have a sensor bad in the tire. But high beams on, full beams on with high beams, and I'm not throwing a code. So everything looks good, man. 2007 Ford F150 install took, if you were really moving at it, a half hour at the most. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't, and we'll catch you on the next one.